Experiencing a USB device descriptor failure in Windows 11? Here's a quick fixes check if there is an issue with your USB device by inserting it into another USB port or another computer. Search Edit Power Plan in Windows search box. Click on Search Result. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. It will open a small Power Options window. Here, look for USB settings and expand it. Now, expand USB Selective Suspend setting. You need to change the status of all the entries to disabled. After that, click on Apply and then on OK. Press Windows key plus R together to open Run. Write Power CFG CPL in it and click OK. Click on Choose what the power button does. It is located on the left side of the window. Now select Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Here, you need to unmark the box beside Turn off Fast Startup. Recommended. It is located under Shutdown Settings. After that, click on Save Changes. Now restart your computer. Open Device Manager. To open Device Manager, right-click on the Start menu button and select Device Manager. Now, look for Unknown USB Device, Device Descriptor Failure item with yellow sign. It is located under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Expand it and right-click on Unknown USB Device, Device Descriptor Failure. Click on Uninstall Device. Now, unplug the USB device from your computer, if it wasn't already unplugged, and plug it back in the USB slot. Scan for hardware changes. On the Device Manager window, click on Scan for hardware changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.